Okay.
It's a paper story.
Another paper story? Okay. Go for it.
It was
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time, there's lots of papers in your house.
Lots of papers in your house, okay?
In all papers' houses.
Okay.
In our house.
In your house.
And something happened to them.
What happened?
What?
There's a penguin that flew down the house. The penguin is on the papers. It's unreal.
Penguin?
The paper is unreal.
They turned real? After the penguin fell on them?
No. Some penguins just fell on them and
paint?
made them real.
Pixie dust?
Yeah.
Oh, pixie dust. Okay.
They made it some down and penguins some pixie dust.
Okay.
Oh,
And it was up to the other place.
up to the other place?
When it was a very whole page.
Oh.
Where the pages. The next morning, the papers got up and just were paid to wake up somebody. And it waked up at me.
We wake you up?
Woke you up? Wow.
I was sleeping.
You sleeping?
Oh, you were sleeping?
Okay. Do you snore?
And someone just woke me up. Yeah.
Wake up?
You woke up, huh? And then you got up, apparently.
Paper.
It was there?
They're waking me up.
It waking you up?
Yeah.
Shame on that paper. You need to sleep. Yeah. Not wake up with the paper. Do you read the paper when you wake up?
Yeah.
Do you? You read the funnies?
The funny paper.
You read the funny papers? Yeah, they're funny, huh? You
I
love non
read the whole this. I was sleeping.
You sleeping?
Yeah.
Show me how you were sleeping.
And the TV was making loud noises.
TV was making loud noises
What
when
kind
you
of
were trying to sleep?
What kind of loud noises was the TV making?
And you're snoring?
What kind of noises was the TV making?
The papers were running up the notch and making so loud.
Octonauts. It's a Disney Channel show.
Yeah.
Wow.
So where's the end of the story?
Yeah.
It was, and the paper, the penguin, there's 10 more for them. What's these?
With the books?
She's a fast reader.
And
Thank
Wow.
there's another one coming up.
you. There's another one
Another
coming
one
up.
coming
Tomorrow, I think.
It was another paper one.
Why don't you go to sleep now?
No.